Hi, how you doing? Here's a rebuild on a Glyn flue frame. I really like his old frames. They're solid, they're nice and straight, great to work on. But I prefer using Wesley Verity coils and breeching to suit myself. So as I say, these are Wesley Verity coils, changed over the bar, hand cut springs, and other wee bits and bobs. It's now set as a liner. I'll push anywhere from a 5 up to an 11, depending on what volts you want to throw at it. We start off at 5.5. 5.5 is a nice way by giving it. We'll jump up to 6 just to increase the force of hit. And 6.5, I'd probably start off at 6.5 loaded. Really punchy at that. Okay, thanks for watching.